Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix your Facebook app keep closing, Facebook app automatically closing problem or Facebook auto back problem in Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Go to Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps. Open it. Search for Facebook. Open it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. Now restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. Search for Facebook. Tap on it. Update your Facebook application if it's available. After completing the installation process, open your Facebook from here. Now you need to log into your account. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then look at here for the advanced solution. Also, link in the description. That's it. Thanks for watching.